Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to delete partition in Windows 10 and reclaim your hard drive space quickly and safely. Step 1. Click on this PC in File Explorer. This gives you access to all your drives and storage devices, and it's the starting point to manage your partitions effectively. Step 2. Right-click on Manage. This opens the computer management window, where you can control all aspects of your computer, including storage and disks. Step 3. In the computer management window, click on Disk Management under Storage. Disk Management is where you can view, create, delete, and resize partitions on your hard drives. Step 4. Select the partition you want to delete. Choosing the correct partition is crucial because deleting the wrong one can result in data loss. Step 5. Make sure you have backed up all data from that partition. This step is important because deleting a partition will erase all files stored on it permanently. Step 6. Right-click on the partition and select Delete Volume. This action will remove the selected partition and prepare the space for reuse. Step 7. Read the warning and click Yes. This confirms that you understand all data on the partition will be lost, ensuring no accidental deletions. Step 8. The deleted partition will now appear as unallocated space. Unallocated space is empty and not part of any drive yet, ready to be merged with another drive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.